These 5 independent company thoughts suit prospective business people in a scope of ventures, and with an assortment of interests. Thus, in case you're able to begin a private venture in any of the accompanying fields, you could actually locate some genuine accomplishment by striking out all alone. 1. Video production. It is safe to say that you are the individual who brings your camera all over the place, or the child who went around with a video recorder, taping the entirety of your family occasions and recollections. Provided that this is true, outstanding amongst other independent venture thoughts for you may be video creation. With the notoriety of video via web-based media stages and the web overall, there is surely an interest for the individuals who can shoot video, cut video, or both. Regardless of whether you don't have earlier video experience, similar to visual depiction, there are various courses online that can show you how to cut and alter video utilizing programs like Adobe or Final Cut Pro. With the interest for video, this is another business thought that you can begin at an extreme ease, in your own home. Also, when your recordings are out on the planet, you'll have programmed advertising for your creation endeavor. 6. Podcasting. For the individuals who have a comment or significant stories to advise, you should think about beginning a podcasting business. With the prominence of web recordings from papers and other media suppliers, private people have had the option to bounce on the pattern, transforming a side interest into a completely fledged business. Podcasting will require an underlying interest in some sound gear and altering programming, yet once you begin, you'll have the option to develop as quick as possible talk, produce, and obviously market your webcast. In addition, in case you're explicitly keen on online business thoughts, podcasting should be possible from home, and totally on the web. Look at our total guide on the most proficient method to begin a webcast. 3. IT consulting. Do you have insight with PCs and different sorts of innovation? Provided that this is true, utilize this information for your potential benefit and consider beginning an IT counseling business. With restricted financial plans and assets, numerous independent ventures are adept to employ an external advisor to help them with introducing, overseeing, refreshing, and investigating their innovation. As an IT expert, you'd without a doubt have the option to offer far-off administrations just as on-location help, giving you opportunity and adaptability while working in a field that is sought after. 4. Catering. In case you're an expert cook yet burnt out on the cafe granulate, beginning a providing food administration is an extraordinary chance to strike out into the universe of independent work. You'll require admittance to a business kitchen, low-maintenance staff of workers, 2 or 3 partner cooks to begin. Be that as it may, contrasted with opening your own cafe, the overhead expenses of beginning and running a providing food organization are substantially more reasonable. 5. Online media management. Online media showcasing is a particular promoting forte that most entrepreneurs realize they need, yet few can do well. In case you're stuck to your telephone, Instagram every one of your suppers, and complete the vast majority of your discussions in 280 characters or less, consider developing a customer base of entrepreneurs who need assistance dealing with their images online media stages. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.